Hello, I am Nuño. I am a professor in the area of signal theory and communications at the Polytechnic University of Valencia in Spain. Now I'm going to explain the just intonation and which are its notes. We will review the harmonics, which I explained in other presentations. The 12th tone equal temperament, or simply the equal temperament, is the normal tuning in an instrument, for example a piano or a guitar, while the jazz or pure intonation is based on harmonics. Then the 5 limit tuning includes harmonics 2, 3, 5, and 7 limit tuning includes harmonics 2, 3, 5, and 7. We will compare the notes in both systems, then the main chords, major, minor, and dominant seventh in the two systems, and also the main scales, major and minor, in the two systems. Finally, some conclusions. If we play a note on a piano, for example a C4, that note is the sum of many harmonics. The first one is this. It's a C4. The second one is a C5. The third one is a G5, and we will have other harmonics. The same note on a violin. Here we have a different representation. This is the note. This C4 is again the sum of many harmonics. The first one is a C4. The second one is C5. The third one is G5, and we will have other harmonics. This is the chromatic circle. One full turn in this circle is 1 octave, that is 1,200 cents, and here we have represented the first harmonics. The 12th tone equal temperament has 12 notes, which are 100 cents apart. So the equal temper semitone is 100 cents. For distinguishing between two notes, we need that the difference between them be at least 10 cents, which is the just noticeable difference, J and D. Let's compare the notes in both systems. This is C. Now note G in equal temper and just intonation. Practically the same, the difference is 2 cents, the two notes together. Now note D, equal temper and just intonation. They are practically the same sound. Let's listen to them at the same time. They are practically the same. Regarding note E, now we can notice the difference, which is about 14 cents. And these are the two notes together. Let's listen to B flat, harmonic 7. Now the difference is very big, more than 30 cents. These are the two notes together. Now let's listen to the chords. A major chord contains harmonics 3 and 5, and a dominant 7th chord also includes the harmonic 7. Regarding the minor chord, it is not built from harmonics, but in an artificial way. We have to consider a major chord, and then we invert the positions of the major and minor thirds to obtain a minor chord. So let's listen to C major chord in both systems in equal temper and just intonation. The difference is mainly the E note. Now it's lower. Let's listen again to the two chords. There is a little difference among them, between them. Now a minor chord. Now the difference is the E flat. The last one is higher. So we can distinguish between them. And now the dominant seventh chord, equal temperament, and just intonation. Now the difference are the note E, but mainly B flat. Let's listen again to the chords. They are clearly different. Now, a major key is built from 3 major chords, which are related by a harmonic 3, as I explained in other presentation. And the C minor scale, C natural minor scale, is built from 3 minor chords, which are related by a harmonic 3. Let's listen to both scales in the two systems. So in equal temperament, C major, the first tetrachord, and now in just intonation, the note E is different. Let's listen to the second tetrachord. In equal temperament, and now in just intonation. Clearly there are two notes which are different, A and B. Now the minor scale, natural minor scale, this is the first tetrachord in equal temperament. And in just intonation. The note E flat is different. And in the second tetrachord, we have the equal temperament. And in just intonation. There are two notes different, A flat. The last one is higher, and B flat. They are different. Conclusions: the equal temperament with 12 tones perfectly matches the harmonic 2, which is the octave, and very well the third harmonic, but not the fifth or seventh harmonics. In jazz or pure intonation, we can consider 5 limit tuning with harmonic 2, 3, 5, which gives the major chord, or 7 limit tuning with harmonics 2, 3, 5, 7, which gives the dominant seventh chord. On the contrary, a minor chord is not built from harmonics, but in an artificial way. Usually, just intonation is understood with 5 limit tuning. In this case, a major or minor scale is obtained respectively by 3 major or minor chords which are a harmonic 3 apart. You can find all the information on the webpage harmonic.com. Thank you very much for your attention.